All right guys, welcome back to Home on the Hitch. Glad to have you here as always. Well, camping season is upon us. It's time to rip those covers off and get the RVs cleaned up and get to those state parks and start having some fun, right? So there's probably a lot of you guys out there that have been thinking about getting off the beaten path a little bit more this year, and we're going to help you do that with a product that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. If you're staying somewhere that's got a 20 or 30 amp service, or you're using your generator and you want to fire up your air conditioners, don't want to miss today's video because we're going to talk all about it, show you a demonstration. We've showed it before, we're going to show it again. It's going to be soft startup 50 amp plug and play RV soft starter, not just for your air conditioners, for your entire RV. So stick around, don't go anywhere. So last year, Soft Start USA did send us this to evaluate. We did a video on it last year. This is more like an update video. We want to let everybody know how this is doing, and quite frankly, it's doing great. All right, so everybody knows about soft starts for your air conditioner. They've been around a few years now. Little small box that you either install or you pay to have somebody install on your air conditioner. And what it basically does is it slowly ramps up the starting amperage for your air conditioner, so it's not such a big surge. And if you put those on, if you've got two air conditioners and you put one of those on each of them, you can actually run both of those air conditioners off of a 3,000 watt generator, or you can start one 15,000 BTU rooftop AC on like a 2,000 watt generator or 20 amp service. Well, technology does advance, and we're here to tell you about it. So this is going to be the Soft Startup. It's an advanced soft starter for your entire RV, and it's got a lot of pros over the models that you install inside your air conditioner. Number one, this thing's plug and play. It's 50 amp. You plug it into the pedestal, you plug it into your surge protector, plug your RV in, and you're done. There's no service call technician to come out and install them, or you don't have to get up on the roof yourself and install them and cut wires and read schematics. So do all that. Literally 30 seconds, this thing's plugged in and working. Now, not only is this thing going to allow you to start your ACs, but it's going to help all your hydro appliances in your RV start a little bit better. It's going to manage or optimize the power that you have available, and that's what it does. It doesn't create power, it optimizes the power that you have. It's going to help that 1800 watt turbo hair dryer work better, your microwave, if you've got an electric water kettle like a lot of us do. All of your high draw appliances that come on and require a large surge current, it's going to manage them all, and it's going to make everything run just a little bit smoother. All right, so let's let this thing put its money where its mouth is, and we're going to look at some footage where we started our two air conditioners in our RV, one 15,000 BTU and one 13.5 on a very old Champion 3,000 watt generator. Let's look at that footage. We're going to come back and talk about what's included, what the cost is, and what you get with the Soft Startup by Soft Start USA. All right, so I got the generator warming up. We got the Soft Start over here plugged into it. That's our Champion 3,200 watt generator. We've had that thing for about 5 years now. We use it all through Alaska. We've used it countless boondocking nights, harvest host nights. So it's got a lot of hours on it. So we've got it plugged into the generator with the included dog bone, and then the Soft Startup's plugged into that, and the cord for the camper goes there. So let's get inside and start testing. I've got the ACs off. Let's go inside and start cranking this stuff up. All right, so we got a generator running. It is not on eco mode. Air conditioner's off. I have the refrigerator running on its on inverter right now because I wanted it kind of out of the circuit and the calculations. Didn't want it shutting on and off while we were trying to do this test. But all right, so into the bedroom. We're gonna shut this one on first. Power it up. Set on 67, low fan. Let's listen for the generator. All right, generator just kicked up, so the bedroom air conditioner should be blowing cold now. Heard the generator idle up. Sure did, blowing cold. All right, so the bedroom AC is running. Let's see if we can get the living room to kick on. It's going to be set 67 as well. It's 74 degrees in here. All right, the fan's on. Let's see if we can hear the generator kick up. I'll be amazed if this works. Oh, did it do it? Oh, it absolutely did it. Both air conditioners are running. The main AC is on right here. 67 degrees, currently 74 in here, it's blue. Compressor's on. The bedroom AC is blowing cold. It's set to 67 as well. So we've got both air conditioners are running off our 3,000 watt generator. I didn't think it was going to start it. Our generator is really old with thousands of hours, so that's pretty cool. All right. So what do you think happens if I put some water in the microwave and turn the microwave on? So both compressors are running right now. And I'm not cutting this, so I don't want people to say that I cut it. Holy crap. It's running. That's crazy. All right. Oh, it just kicked off. So both ACs ran fine, and the microwave added into the mix was enough to kill the generator, and that makes sense because there's just not enough power in that 30 amp connection to run both ACs and fire up a big microwave. But we're going to turn it off, turn it back on, and try it one more time with the air conditioners just to make sure it wasn't a fluke. All right, so we're going to try it one more time without the microwave in the mix. We're going to shut down. Let's go over here and turn on the bedroom AC first. All right, fan's coming on. Set to cool. 67 degrees. Should be able to hear the generator kick up. You won't be able to, but. Oh, there it went. All right, generator is settling back down now. Let's go verify. What's that, little dog? Yep, blowing cold air. Mom's coming in with groceries. All right, we're gonna shut the big one on here. We're gonna turn the big one on here as well again and see if we get lucky again with our old generator. We'll see if this thing actually works. Okay, anytime now. And there it went. The lights kind of flickered a little bit, but we got the main AC and the bedroom AC are both running off of our single generator. So I think we can add much else into that, but
still, that's pretty amazing.
That is. So if you needed to like run your generator for a little while somewhere, or your 3,000 watt inverter, and run both ACs to kind of cool it off for a little bit, you could do that. So it does what it says it's going to do. We didn't have any issues starting our air conditioners on a 3,000 watt generator. So we're going to have a link. I'm going to put it up on the screen here. It's going to be in the first line of the video description. Head on over there. That's going to tell you everything you need to know about this product. And you can order it right there. Right now, $495. Now that's a lot of money, but it's less than 2 soft starts to put one in each of your RV air conditioners. So you're saving money right off the bat. If you choose later to sell that RV and upgrade, which most of us do at some point, You unplug it and take it with you. It's 50 amp, so it's going to work with your 50 amp RV. It comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. Buy it. If you don't love it, send it back, get your money back. As well, it's got a 1-year warranty and it's made in the USA, which is pretty important to me. Ships free to the USA and Canada, I believe. So grab one. It's going to help you stay cool while you're boondocking. Even if you just need to run the air conditioners for a little while and you don't want to run your generator all the time, at least you know you can plug this in for less than $500 and run both of your air conditioners off of your 3,000 watt generator, or you can run one of your air conditioners off of a 2,000 watt generator. So I think if you are actively in the market for soft starters for your RV air conditioners, you owe it to yourself to give this device a look and do a little research on it and see if you think it might fit the bill better, because it's got a lot of pluses. Like I said, the main one being that A, it's cheaper than 2 of the other soft starts, and B, it's portable. So yeah, you can take it with you. Click that link in the description below to get a better look at this. I'll give you more information than I ever can. Give one a try. Like I said, it's got a 90-day warranty on it. If you don't love it, send it back. But we've had ours for about a year and we really love it.